Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to cover how and where to add hashtags to your YouTube video. Okay, so I want to begin by letting you know the best way I feel to use hashtags is when you look in your tags, as you see in mine. You pick the top ones, okay? And those are the hashtags you use. Remember though that YouTube will not let you use a big one like this here, or this one. So you pick what word, like Tourette's, okay? You go with your top two and pick the names from there. That's the best way to do it. And where you're going to put them when you do that, hold on a moment, and I'm going to show you where to add them. Okay, now, a lot of people think you add them to the title. You do not add them to the title. They won't go up here. YouTube will add them up on top of your title up here when it's done. You do not put them in your title box. You do not put them in the beginning of your description. As you can see here, I put mine in the end, okay? And I just chose two because this is what this one was about. Mainly was Tourette's is mainly about the tics that it causes. And when I say tics, I don't mean the type that animals get or that can get on you. Tics, when I say tics, I mean like little body movements like a shrug or, things like that, or blinking. Those are called tics, and that's what I'm talking about. And that is a common symptom of Tourette's, is body tics, movement tics, speech tics, things like that. So I put for my two top keywords, Tourette's syndrome and tics. Now when you do it, you have to put this sign there, the hashtag sign, plus the word, then another hashtag sign, and your second word. And I would only suggest using 3 at the max, because that's all YouTube is going to use is 3. You can use more, but YouTube is only going to take the top 3. The first 3 is what YouTube is going to choose. So when you add them to the end of your description, this is what it's going to look like after. Okay, you can see they put it on top of my title. Here's my title. And YouTube puts it right on top. And what the purpose of the hashtags is it gives you more searchability. Because these are the words that's going to come up for your search words. That's why you want to pick your top 3 that come up for your search query, because these are what's gonna help. Okay? And as you can see, it highlights it when you're done. On the bottom, I didn't hit the show more because I wanted to show you this is where it will go. When you put it at the end of the description, and when you get done and you save everything, YouTube will take them 3 hashtags that you chose and put them on top of your title. So you want to make sure they're good searchable terms. And the best way to use that is use the tools that YouTube gives you. TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and use that, okay? And it's not going to make, a real big difference, but it is going to, over time, it will give you more searchability. So I do recommend using the hashtags for that, because the more searchability your video is, the more people are going to see it. They have a better chance of seeing it. So that's what you want to do, is add hashtags to the end of your description. Make sure that your top 3 ranking hashtags, put them in here at the end of your description. And when you're done, them top 3 will show here. That will give you more searchable results from it. And I hope this video helped you remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes, because what your eyes see isn't important. What truly matters is invisible to the eye, because only the heart can see it. You can be a better person and make this a better place by seeing with your heart and not your eyes, because your heart sees what the person is. This is just a shell. The shell doesn't count. You could get a book that looks really, really super interesting because of the cover. But when you start reading it, you find that book is boring, or vice versa. It could be a dull looking cover, but it's just one of them books you can't put down once you start reading it. And that's because you're not judging. That's why you can't judge a book or a person from the outside. You have to look deep. You have to look at a person like you would a book. You have to open the book and read about it. Okay? Because to know a person, you have to look beyond the skin, what the eyes see. Look deep inside here, into their heart. Because that's what makes a person, is what's inside. And by doing that, you can understand what they're going through. Try to be the better person. Don't judge somebody because you don't know what they're going through. You don't know what they have. So until I see you again, remember, you matter to me. You are very important out there. Yes, I'm talking about you. And I love you for who you are. Just the way you are. So until I see you again, bye. I love you.